TrafficJunky Honest Review. Watch before using. Today, I'll dive into TrafficJunky, a leading ad network focused on adult traffic. If you're considering TrafficJunky for your campaigns, here's what you need to know. TrafficJunky is known for its access to massive, high-quality adult traffic, particularly from sites like Pornhub, YouPorn, and RedTube, making it ideal for industries that don't perform well on mainstream platforms. One of its core strengths is its user-friendly platform, designed for both seasoned marketers and beginners, with an intuitive interface that simplifies campaign setup, monitoring, and optimization. TrafficJunky offers various ad formats: display ads, video ads, and native placements, which gives advertisers flexibility to test different creatives and see what works best. Their targeting capabilities are quite granular. You can segment by device, geolocation, time, and even browser type, allowing for precise audience targeting and improved conversion rates. TrafficJunky also has a smart bidding system, so you can set daily budgets, target CPMs, and control bids, which gives you full control over your ad spend. The platform is great for industries like dating, gaming, health and wellness, and certain e-commerce niches that might struggle on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook due to content restrictions. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. TrafficJunky's traffic is highly specific, so you'll get the best results if your product aligns with the audience. One key thing to keep in mind is the platform's learning curve. While it's beginner-friendly, achieving consistent, profitable results takes testing and patience. TrafficJunky's reporting tools are robust, but can feel overwhelming, so it's crucial to analyze performance metrics like CTR and ROI frequently and adjust your campaigns accordingly. Another point worth noting is the minimum deposit requirement, which may be steep for smaller businesses, but this threshold can help weed out low-quality campaigns, ensuring that advertisers get valuable insights from a higher-quality audience pool. In conclusion, TrafficJunky can be a powerful tool for reaching adult traffic with precision. If your product aligns with its audience and you're prepared to invest in testing and optimization, it could drive meaningful results. However, it's best suited for those ready to work within its unique ecosystem and commit to a thoughtful strategy. With a careful approach, TrafficJunky offers solid ROI potential. Just make sure you're ready to analyze, refine, and scale as you go.